In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page step by step. First, sign into Facebook using your personal Facebook account. From the menu, select Pages, then click Create New Page. Enter your business or brand name and choose a category that best describes your business. Add a short description explaining what your business offers. Then click Create Page. Next, upload a professional profile picture, such as your business logo, and add a cover photo that represents your brand. Open your page settings and add important business information, including your phone number, email address, website, location, and business hours. You can also add a call to action button, such as Send Message, Call Now, Learn More, or Shop Now, depending on your business needs. Invite people to follow your page and start publishing useful, original content. You can use Meta Business Suite to schedule posts, manage messages, and review page insights. Finally, check your page from a visitor's perspective to make sure all the information is accurate and easy to find. That's how you can create and set up a Facebook business page. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.